So Sister Joan has her pizzelle, her vintage pizzelle iron here that she's going to show us how to make these, and she insists they're easy, so we'll see.
Okay, here goes.
All right.
First I'll put the sugar in, and then I add a half a cup of melted butter, and then an egg. Then I just stir that up. Don't have your butter too hot or you'll cook your egg. I'm not used to talking when I'm cooking.
One of the Benedictine values is not multitasking.
Okay, then I add the vanilla, and I use pure vanilla for everything. It makes your cookies taste so much better. Then I need 3 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and that's it. It doesn't have many ingredients. It doesn't call for salt, but I usually add a little.
How long have you lived at St. Scholastica, Sister Joan?
Oh, since '88, so
Okay.
figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, your wife will be happy, you'll know how.
How to stir.
One thing, this better be hot.